Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. I'm Talisha, also known as CreativiTeeByT here on YouTube and on Instagram. And today I am coming to you with my collaboration pattern reveal. Thank you so much for watching this pattern reveal in collaboration with Heather from Textiled Tailored Thoughts. Heather is such an awesome person and very fun to work with, and she also has a video up on her YouTube channel and posts on Instagram. So go ahead and check her out and also subscribe to her channel and follow her on Instagram. So the pattern that we chose is McCall's 6803 and I made View A. The pattern description describes this as Mrs. Tops and Dresses, and again I made View A, and I really love how this pattern came out. It actually came out much better than I thought it would, because I don't feel like the pattern cover gives it a lot of justice. So I'm truly ecstatic about this. And so I know in previous videos I talked about how we had the mystery fabric, which is this sheer fabric right here, and I incorporated it by using this cotton. It's actually a quilting cotton that I picked up from Joann's, and I am absolutely loving the colors. They are very springy, and I could actually use this as part of my Easter outfit for Easter. So while I was shopping for fabric to match the sheer fabric that I have, I came across this section here that had similar color schemes to it, and I ended up with these three colors here in my basket to match up. I took away the more green color and I had these two left in my basket to decide from. As you can see, I ended up deciding on the lighter color because I just felt like it went with it better overall. So this pattern had 6 pattern pieces. It had the front bodice, it had the back, had the sleeves, it had the facing, and 2 peplum pieces, which one was for the front and one was for the back. The pattern describes this as an easy pattern. It was easy for me, however I don't think it's beginner friendly, because you do have to install an invisible zipper and you do have to set in the sleeves, and the tie is a little different. It was not hard for me, but it's not like super straightforward, so I don't think, like I said, a beginner would be 100% comfortable with this pattern. So the pattern sizing for this is size 6 to 22, and I did cut in 18, and when I completed this project it did look exactly like the front cover of the pattern. However, I do think mine turned out a little better, not trying to brag, but I think it's because of the styling of the fabric, I should say. I think it's because of the different fabric. My fabric is fancier, and I incorporated the mystery fabric in here, and I decided to leave my sleeves sheer, and then I did the overlay for the peplum. So the one thing that drew me to this particular pattern when Heather and I were picking it out was the peplum. I love a peplum because it helps to give me a little bit more shape. I also like this front tie. I thought that this front tie was very cute, and I like this opening here. Of course, we have the invisible zipper. And everyone by now, if you've been watching my channel, knows that an invisible zipper is like one of my things. So I purchased this sheer fabric when I went on vacation back in October, and I was in Los Angeles. I went to the LA Fabric District and I picked up this sheer fabric, and it was only $1.99 per yard, and I had 3 yards of it. So I divided the 3 yards up, and I gave a yard and a half to Heather, and then I kept a yard and a half to incorporate in this pattern. The main fabric that I used for the bodice and the back and to put under the sheer on the peplum is a quilting cotton that I picked up from Joann Fabrics. So overall, I'm very pleased with how this turned out. I would definitely make this again, and I could see this really well in like a black with some black lace sleeves. So my earrings, I cannot leave out my earrings. Once again, I've incorporated an SD purchase that I got from Shaka, and it's Shaka at Shaka Martinique. She makes these beautiful earrings, and she names them chandeliers. So I picked up 2 pair, and this is one of them, and I'm absolutely loving my earrings with this outfit. Well, that is it for my review. I hope you go over to Heather's channel and check out her pattern review and also her Instagram. And again, her Instagram is Textiled Tailored Thoughts. My Instagram is CreativiTeeByT. It's the same as my YouTube, so go ahead and check me out on Instagram as well. Thank you so much for watching. If you have not done so already, I invite you to subscribe to my channel and hit the gray notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a video. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!